Oh yeah!
Oh boy.
All right! All right! Come here! A fish! Did you get it?
We got it!
Coop, good find.
That took a long time.
Yeah!
You want to help Dad? Watch out for the water so you don't fall in.
There's no fish. Right there.
Look, we got a fish, bud. Come over here and show it to Mom. Come show it to Mom. Don't walk backwards.
Yeah, don't go backwards, okay? You'll fall in the water.
It's falling the fish.
Come here, let's show Mom. Let's show Mom the fish. Come here, come over by me. Come over by me. Look. See.
Look, Mom.
See, look, Mom.
Wow, show Aaron.
Show Aaron.
Look at Aaron.
Look at Aaron.
Pretty cool.
Hey,
I got a good one.
Cooper. You did?
Yeah, I got a good one.
He's like, I don't really want the fish. I just want to put my pole in.
Cooper, that's a big fish.
Good job.
There we go.
What do you think? There's a fish. Yeah.
What are you going to do with it when you take it home?
Some of my mom's stuff.